Hey, I'm Eric. I met Kristen here at Pinners here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I came here because, to be honest with you, I've been really stressed out, probably for the last 10 years of my life, even though, well, enough about me. Very beautiful presentation, lovely lady, beautiful dress she had on. Really engaged the audience here with questions and answers, and there was quite a bit. There were quite a few things going on for somebody like me. You know, even though I've been curious my whole life about everything, I'm still learning, right? So, yeah, give her a try. Get whatever you can out of life. Get the most out of every moment you can, and that's what she brought to me here tonight. Did you enjoy Kristen's presentation? Did you learn anything new?
Yes, there was. I learned more techniques about stress, because normally you hear the typical ones. I never knew about the foot flexology to be something to help.
Reflexology.
Yep. So yeah, I liked it. It was that, and it was three things to avoid when you're around negative people.
Right? This day and age, right?
Right, yeah. Like, I got about staying away from the problem. I mean, it's hard sometimes, but her tips were really good.
Cool.
I really liked it.
What was your name again?
Fernanda.
Fernanda.
Yes.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Fernanda.
to meet you. Thank you so
very
much
much for
I
coming.
enjoyed it. Yeah,
I appreciate it. Thank you.